The mode section is on the top right when you are in Mixer 1 or Mixer 2, and there's a handful of different modes that we can select through. So the first one is Input, and that's going to show you your gain or trim and your polarity flip for each channel. Next one down is going to be your rack. So this is going to show you your plugin rack for every channel. You have 8 plugin slots to add plugins. So on this one, we have an Emo Q4 and an Emo D5. And this is where you can add or remove plugins. Then we have the dynamic EQ section. So if you have a compatible dynamics or EQ, you'll be able to see those for each channel, and you can turn on your compressor, your gate, and see your EQ. Next, we have effects 1 through 8. So this is where you're going to be able to send channels to your different effects racks. Then we have monitor 1 through 8, so your in-ear monitors or your stage monitors. And this is a quick way to make a mix for each one of your monitors. Then we have monitors 9 through 16. And again, we can select it, and now we are mixing those monitors. Next, we have a route. So we have our left to right, our center, our mono, our groups 1 through 8, our matrices 1 through 8. We can also flip our input from the A input or the B input. And we also have a direct out, so we can send a direct out of that channel to a recording computer or to an actual output. And the last one in this mode is the channel. So you have your input trim and your polarity flip, your rack for all of your plugins, a dynamic section, and an EQ section. You have your aux effects and your 16 monitor sends as well, and your routing page along with your link groups and your mute groups. And that's for every channel when it's selected. Then we can hit the right arrow once, and now we have our Dugan Auto Mixer if you have that plugin. We have the Emo IEM for version 15 onwards. We have another dynamic EQ section, and effects and monitors 1 through 8, so it's a larger view. All of your monitors 1 through 16, and then your effects and monitors 9 through 16. Another routing tab, and another channel overview. And those are the different modes on the Emotion LV1.